Hi babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mary, and if you're here it's because we both have something in common. We both love beauty and we both love to try out new beauty products. So for today's tryout, I am going to be trying out, I'm going to be unboxing and trying out, of course. I'm going to be trying out the Beauty Creations and Evette EXO collection. And I waited for you guys to unbox this collection. I got it last week, and obviously I supposed to been gotten it, but something went wrong with my first package, and I didn't end up getting nothing until now. But anyways, I'm gonna be trying out this collection, you guys. I'm gonna be unboxing with you because I waited for you to unbox it. So if you're interested in seeing me unbox and trying out these products, just please keep on watching. Here it is, you guys, my Beauty Creations and Evette EXO collab collection. I must say that I should have received this package a while back, but unfortunately something went wrong with my first package. I didn't receive absolutely nothing. Well, actually I did receive something. I received the shipping label. If you follow me on Instagram, I did tell you guys that that's all I got, and I right away judged the UPS worker because I was like, girl, he probably stole my package. But yeah, that's pretty much all I received. I also thought that maybe they just didn't ship my package, my box, because I got the order number and I got the stickers. So just like it comes here, you guys, just this, that's all I got. I also called the UPS customer service number, and they told me that the girl was like, let me contact the driver, the UPS driver, and ask him if there was a box. And she did, and she called me back telling me that there was no box. I mean, I called Beauty Creations, they sent me a new one, so no biggie. I mean, I don't know what happened, but yeah, so they sent me a new one, and here I am. I haven't opened it, you guys. I really wanted to open it and peek through it, but girl, I waited for you. I waited for you. So here's a little pamphlet, you guys. And Evette looks so stunning. She looks so stunning. And in the back, it does give you the details of every product in this collection. And I got the PR box, you guys, because I really wanted to try out everything. And it being Beauty Creations, you know that it's not expensive. It's very inexpensive. I did get the PR box, which is $90, and you can get the bundle by itself without the PR box for $85, and the palette by itself, it is $25. The Snatch Me face palette is $22. The 1991 lip trio is $18, and the Stay Pretty setting spray is $12. There is a little message, and it says, thank you so much, babes, for all the love and support. None of this would have been possible without you guys. It has been a dream come true. Can't wait to see you guys wearing my collab. It does come with stickers. How cute. So pretty, you guys. Oh my god, I love pink too. So I know there's a message in the back. So it says, I'm so excited with you, Evette EXO Beauty Creations. I've been working on this for over a year now, and teaming up with one of my favorite brands has truly been a dream come true. Everything in this collection was made with so much love for my girls and all the Beauty Creations babes. Thank you for always believing in me. I can't wait to see how good everyone looks in this collection. XOXO Evette. Such a lovely message. And oh, okay, you guys, so let's talk about the packaging. So stunning. She looks so stunning in this packaging, you guys. I freaking love it. She's wearing a different dress for absolutely okay, so she's obviously wearing the same. Not me looking at the dress, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take out the products, and I love how they put them like this. I'm gonna start off with the setting spray because it's the first one in the collection, and love the packaging. Like I said, I love that she's on the cover of her products. She's truly an inspiration to me, and as well as the brand owner of Beauty Creations, Esmeralda. I love the way she started off her business. She's really one of the reasons why I really support the brand. I love the fact of how she started off her business. It's just so amazing. She started off selling her products the flea market, which is wow. And now they're at Cerritos Mall. Truly inspirational. So this is the Stay Pretty setting spray, you guys, and oh my god, I love the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I really want to smell this. I heard it smells good. Wait, doesn't smell like anything. I don't know if it's just me, but it doesn't really have a scent. Well, I don't know. I can't really smell it, but I'm gonna wait for it. And probably once I spray it on my face. I'm gonna move on to the eyeshadow palette, you guys, and this is the Eyes on Me shadow palette, and oh my god, I freaking love. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and oh girl. So it does include 10 mattes and 6 shimmers, you guys. I love the names. Grateful, Mom Life, Evette EXO, Leo Babe, Squad, I'm Cute, Everything Pink, Money Moves, Living the Dream, and a Roman number that I don't know what it is. Pretty Girl, Love You Guys, Obsessed, Familia, My Girls, Date Night. Absolutely meaningful. And this is the Snatch Me face palette. Packaging is the same as the shadows. Ooh. So obviously this one comes with 2 bronzers, 2 highlighters, and 2 shimmer highlighters, of course. And last but not least, look, the lip trio. And you guys, her hair looks amazing. So this is the lip trio, and this comes with a lip liner, lip gloss, and lipstick. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring out the lip liner, and it is in the shade Stripped. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my wrist so you guys can see the shade. Excuse the nails, you guys. I had painted my nails the day before yesterday, and I was washing dishes yesterday, so they cracked on me. I have a dishwasher, but I haven't used it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the lip gloss, and oh my god. So very similar to the lip liner shade, but a little lighter. So this is the packaging, you guys. So pretty, and it does have her name, Evette EXO and Beauty Creations. The same thing as the other ones. So I'm going to start off with the Eyes on Me shadow palette, you guys. And I already did apply some of my One Size concealer. Put on Mom Life as a transition shade. And I'm going to apply with a Morphe and Ariel blending brush. Okay, so I blended out really nicely, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my second shade. And I'm going to be using Obsessed, this shade right here. And I'm going to be using a Morphe M456 brush. And I'm just going to be applying that onto the outer corner and working my way up to the crease. This is a stunning shade, you guys. Oh my god. So pretty. So with a Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this Date Night. This one right here onto the outer corner. So I kind of low-key didn't want to do pink, you guys, but I just have to. I'm going to go ahead and take this Evette EXO shade right here. And I'm just going to put some on my lid. I'm going to go ahead and put some with my Morphe M166 brush. Ooh. So pretty. And I don't really get any fallout in the pan, you guys. I'm gonna go over it with my Morphe M506 brush. This is the one I used the Date Night shade with, and I'm gonna just blend those two together. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did my lashes off camera as well as the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna be trying out the Snatch Me face palette, and I'm gonna be setting my under eye concealer. I used the One Size concealer for this, and I'm gonna put some of this hella basic shade, this one right here, and I'm gonna use this Morphe and Ariel brush. Grabbing product, and there's no fallout, so it's very bright, you guys. Obviously it did brighten up my under eyes a lot. besides the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just gonna grab a big brush for this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try the bronzer, you guys, and I'm gonna be trying out, I'm gonna be trying this one out. This one is Sun Kissed. Such a beautiful bronzer. Wow, so beautiful, you guys. The shade is so pigmented. I am gonna be so bronzed today. I love it, you guys. I'm gonna go over it with my powder brush. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom of my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of that mom shade, that mom life shade, because you know it's that mom life. And I'm just gonna put some onto the bottom of my lid. Okay, now last but not least, you guys, I'm gonna be using Date Night, this one right here, because I need a good date night with my man. Go ahead and put some here on the end. So moving on to the lip products, you guys, I'm going to be trying out the lip liner, and this is in the shade Stripped. Go ahead and show you guys and line my lips. Now we're going to try on the lipstick, and this is in the shade Sen Nudes. Okay, you guys, so to top it off, I'm gonna go ahead and use the lip gloss, and this is in the shade Naked. Just open it up, and I always have a thing for smelling. It smells really good. I freaking love this lip combo, you guys. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the Stay Pretty setting spray, because that's what we want. We want to stay looking pretty. So I'm just gonna spray some. Oh, wow. Oh my god, it does smell good. I love the applicator. So good. It sprays really good. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. That is it for this look. What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my thoughts on this collection, and I'm starting off with the Eyes on Me shadow palette. I absolutely love the packaging, and the color story is so pretty, you guys. I love the color combination. I didn't get to try out all of the shades, you guys, but the shades that I did try out are really good. They were really pigmented and very blendable. It's really cute that it comes with the mirror and the signature. So this is definitely a yes for me. And the fact that it's $25 by itself is definitely worth it. Moving on to the Snatch Me face palette, you guys. Same for the packaging. I absolutely love it. And I did try out only 2 shades from this palette, and I did try out Hella Basic and Sun Kiss. For the highlighter, you guys, I did get a dry patch here, but I think it's just me, the way I applied my concealer, because when I did my eyeshadow, I did bring it down a little under my lid, so I feel like when I took it off with the micellar water, it kind of gave me a dry patch, and then I put my concealer on top, and then I set it with this, so I think it just gave me, you can't really see it because of the lighting, but it gave me a little dry patch. But I don't think it was this. I think it is the way I applied my concealer. So obviously I'm going to keep on trying it out. And for the bronzer, you guys, I absolutely loved it. It's so pigmented and such a pretty shade. I love it. Didn't try out the highlighters, the shimmer highlighters, but I'm going to try them out next time. Just didn't think it would look good with the look I was aiming for. This does retail for $22. You get 6 shades, which is awesome. Moving on to the Stay Pretty setting spray, you guys. It does smell really good. At first it didn't really smell, I didn't smell anything, but then when I sprayed it directly to my face, it smelled really good. And I love the applicator. sprays on really good. I just don't want my face really dewy, but doesn't give you any of those like patches. So this does retail for $12. And I have to say, this is like the best one that Beauty Creations has. I don't really like the Vintage Romance one, and I think that's the only one that I have tried. So I didn't like that one at all, but this one is definitely a yes for me. Moving on to the lip trio, you guys. Oh my god, the lip trio is so freaking bomb. It's so bomb. Like, it looks so good and it feels very hydrating on my lips. And this is definitely a yes for me. This lip trio is $18. And like I said, if you do get the bundle, it's $85 without the PR box, but the PR box is $90. I don't know if it's sold out. I haven't checked or anything, but definitely a yes for me, you guys. I love the shade. The lip liner went on like nothing, and the lipstick is very pigmented as well, and the lip gloss, I think I love the lip gloss the most. So overall, you guys, I absolutely did love everything. It was worth the wait. And if that UPS guy did steal my package, then I hope his girlfriend did enjoy my this collection as much as I did. But anyways, not me judging. Anyways, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much if you did watch it to the end. Please subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 500 subscribers because I'm going to be doing a giveaway. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment down below something sweet if you feel like it. And I'll see you girls and guys in my next video. Bye!